So here are some vocab words that are going to come in handy that I will continue to use. So invertible, if you have a matrix and it has an inverse, so there is something that makes it an inverse, then A is going to be invertible or non-singular. Now, a singular matrix is a matrix that doesn't have an inverse. So you can see how they go back and forth. Yes, it is possible for a matrix to not have an inverse, and it's possible for us to find the inverse of a matrix. So, for instance, how to find the inverse of a square matrix. So if we have a matrix, we need to write it with our matrix and then dot, 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 the identity, which is 1, 0, 0, 1 for, say, instance, a 2 by 2. Then we need to reduce the left-hand side, and then whatever is on the right-hand side becomes our identity matrix. If we don't get an identity on the right-hand side, then it's singular. If we do, it's invertible or non-singular because it has an inverse. So this may not make sense till we hop into the next slide and do an example. So I would say write down 1 and 2, and that's going to help you, and then make sure to get these vocab words in. So pause now because then the end of the video is coming, and then we'll go into an example.